I've received a great many gifts over my lifetime, but something that always shouts Christmas to me, it's not necessarily the gift that I wanted the most, but it was the gift that I always got, was from my grandmother. So all these cousins who are the same age coming together, and my grandma would always give us this beautifully wrapped box with a big bow, perfectly presented, and in there every single year would be a turtleneck. And I didn't really love turtlenecks, but I loved getting that turtleneck from my grandma every year.